Hi, this is a continuation of my recent video about the car charger. So I wanted to come over here to the electric panel and take a look at it and remind you, if you're going to make any modifications or open up this panel, you really want a qualified electrician to do that. But today we're just taking a look to see, this is a 100 amp panel, and if you notice, it's only a 2-bedroom house, so that's probably enough. But some of the areas are double breakers so that they can serve a higher amperage, like a 30, 40, 50 amp circuit. So in this instance, you can see that we're completely utilizing all of the areas within this breaker. So if they wanted to add more to this, they'd have to add a sub panel to that to carry more electricity to a workshop or the garage. So your assignment for today is check your panel and see if there's any expansion slots. And let me know, are you thinking about possibly getting a car charger in the future, or would you maybe have an arc welder in the garage?